we archived over 2,000 pictures and videos from New Orleans' #1 attraction, the National World War II Museum. Join us for the venture. Enjoy the video.
During World War II, mail served as a critical emotional lifeline for soldiers. To manage the massive volume, the military used V-mail, a system where letters were microfilmed to save cargo space for war supplies. The process was strictly regulated. Censors removed sensitive information to maintain security. Central Postal Directory Battalion, an all-black, all-female unit, played a legendary role in clearing millions of backlogged letters. Ultimately, mail was considered as essential to troop morale as food and ammunition.